Is that fixing it? Sandy, why don't you fix it another way? Make sure that ice maker's working well. Oh. Just wait a sec. Baby's in his kennel.
I'm going to take a video. Oh my gosh. Keep stopping.
And what are you doing?
Oh, now Santa's white and mine. Mom, Santa's white and mine.
Yeah. Are you taking a video of them?
Yeah.
Thank you. They're fixing stuff and you're taking video.
One.